Good afternoon, people. Hope you're having a lovely trading day. Let's have a look at our Bitcoin 4-hour chart to see what's going on today. So what we've got is Bitcoin has made a lovely move up from here. We've dropped down, found demand, pushed up, found supply, and created a range. We've been trading in this range now for a couple of days. And we've also come all the way back down and found demand. So demand stepped in, and what have we got? We've got a nice move up. We had a little bit of Uncle Donald volatility yesterday, and today the market's brushed that off, and we're now looking for rocket ships. So if we go down to the 1 hour, we can see the same thing. It's rolled over. It's come down. It's tried to find demand. It's been bought up. Tried to find demand again. It's been bought up. We've got what we call transition going on here. So we've got a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yes, we're running into trouble at this MA, the slow MA, but the fast one's turning up. So get ready for some more volatility. 15-minute, we've been sitting in the Zoom channel all day, waiting, watching. And don't forget, if you want us to come and join us in the Zoom, go to our website and you'll find all the details there. The website is thecontrolroom.xyz. Go there. That's your front door entry to our Discord channel and our Zoom sessions that we have that we trade together. And we trade structure, and you're welcome to come and join us. There's a 7-day free trial there if you want to take advantage of that as well, just to see what we're all about. Anyway, back to this. So we've sat there today waiting anxiously all the way through this. And what we can see is Bitcoin come through here. It swept the highs, swept the lows, and now it's pushing up. So we've broken structure to the upside and we're long. So yes, we're positioned long. Is it too late to get in? No, let it pull back a bit. So I still want to see it come back a little bit. Don't go chasing candles, and use your risk management. So we exercise awesome risk management in the control room, in the Discord. And if you're not sure how to do it, come and join us. We'll teach you. We'll show you how, exactly the same way we all use it. And anyone's welcome to join. Go to the website, as I said, controlroom.xyz, and you'll find your ticket. All right. So what I see is rocket ships. So we've also come down here, like I said, rolled over, found a bottom, pushed up, found demand, pushed up, and we're now broken structure to the upside. So we're showing intention. That is all though, intention only. So what we do need is follow through and buyers to step in so that we get a push higher. And we'd like to see if we can get a push here to try and make a higher high than what we've previously got, because we've now got a higher low. How cool is that? So what we're looking for is a higher high. I want to see it push up to 64.8, 64.9, somewhere around that. And then we'll come back again and get some more liquidity. So that's what I'm looking at. We'll have a look around the traps because there's a few rippers going today. We've been sweating on this one. So this one, nobody wants to long this, I don't think. So it could be the end of the road for it. It might be all it's got. However, we're positioned long from demand here, and we're looking for a breaker structure. If Bitcoin goes, this thing's got some legs. It's got plenty of room to run. And you can see, if we look at this on a 4-hour, you can see we've got a perfect transition. All of you guys who are in the Discord and come to the Zoom rooms know all about the transition, but we've got perfect transition here. Have we got our higher low here? Let's hope so. What I can tell you is that why we went long is because we got a reaction, just a reaction at this breaker structure. Oh, wrong color, Steve. Sorry, guys. We've got a reaction here at this breaker structure. So we're positioned long. That's the place to position from if you want. High time frame, it may or may not pay out. We're still in scouts. So we've only got scout size position, which is part of our risk management. We're waiting for a little pullback, and maybe we might get an entry, a bigger entry or add on in a low time frame. We're definitely in an uptrend here. So higher high. Hopefully this is our higher low. Can it still come down? Hell yes. Hell yes. There's plenty of liquidity to the bottom. If we don't get follow through on anything in this tonight, we're coming down further. This could just be a liquidity grab to the upside before USA dumps it tonight. Anyway, that's the same with all the coins. Around the traps, we've got Link. So 4 hour again, we've got a beautiful entry down here, just pushed up. It's come back. Hopefully we made a higher low here, and we're going for our rocket ships with Bitcoin. 15-minute entry we got today. It was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We took this sweep of the lows. We took that entry there, and we've got rocket ships already. So it's worked out perfect. TP1's hit. We're waiting for a pullback. We want to see it pull back here, and we'll get an add-on, and then we'll have our real position for the ride up. What else do we get? We got in AVAX. So we took AVAX. I still want to see that come back a little further than most people would like. So I want to see that come back to here, maybe even dip down to here. So I'm watching that one, but we've hit TP1 on that. So TP1, I'd like to see it come back, and we'll get an add-on down here. The stop loss is below that just there anyway, so I think it can still come all the way back. If not, it's gone. Rocket ships, leave it alone. Wait for tomorrow. Ethereum, it's been slow going all day, but you can see it swept the lows. We took the entry, and now we're getting a little pop. Has it broken structure yet up to the upside? No. Are we waiting patiently? Yes. Should you get an entry now? No. But don't be scared to take a scout here now in case it does turn on the afterburners. BNB, same thing. It's a little bit faster than ETH, but it's exactly the same. You can see it's trending upwards here now. That's a no-brainer. We took the entry here. I think I got an entry here last night too. No, I didn't. Here. Yeah, I got an entry here last night, just before bed there. So I took that entry there, stop loss under demand, away she went. So we've taken another entry here today on the sweep of the lows here, and now it just keeps breaking structure to the upside. So that's off and running. If you do want an entry, just wait for a little pullback. It needs to come back inside the range and get some liquidity, even back to daily open, maybe even demand. Let it play out. We battled with Sol all day. That stopped us out a few times, but we're finally in. As you can see, we got this entry here. TP1's not quite hit. I've got TP1 up here. So we're looking for that to pop structure. It hasn't broken structure to the upside yet. I think it's waiting for a bit of a cue from Bitcoin. Now, gold, we've taken gold. We're kind of very patient with that today. But you can see we got a cracking entry. TP1 hit. We've swept the lows. We've taken the entry right on demand. And look at that, straight away. You get the wait patiently for the right entry. It comes to you. It comes to your business address. That's how we trade in the control room. We wait for it to come to us. We don't chase candles. So now it's all of a sudden gone. As soon as you get the entry and you wait for the right entry, off she goes. So that's perfect. Silver was trading exactly the same, just a little bit stretched out it was today, but nonetheless, we still took the entry down here, the sweep of the lows, and off we went. We had an awesome session today. Here's one we missed. So let's wait for this pullback. I really want to see this one pull back because I think we've now got a really good transition on the high time frame. I think is where we got this. So we missed this one. Who doesn't love to trade XRP? I've actually now got some trend lines drawn in there that I think are irrelevant. So screenshot that or whatever and have a look and see. You might be able to pick up an entry now, stop loss under here for a spot entry. I'd have your stop loss even below that vector there. But just to be safe, just underneath here is good enough. Get a spot entry and bang, it's 25%. It's at $1.10 now. You get up to $1.30. There's 25%. Can't go wrong. It's a really good spot entry and trades really well. Yes, we missed longs with leverage. Can we get in? Not right now. We need to wait for it to come back. We missed the same opportunity here. But still think we have a bit of a pullback either when London opens or just after London open, maybe. I don't know. Maybe market makers might turn around now before London open, and then London open can rocket. But London should do a bit of a liquidity grab to the downside anyway. Asia's done its job, created liquidity to the downside, and we know there's plenty to the upside. What else have we got? We took a BCH. There's plenty of entries today. They were all over the shop. We got this one here, right on demand. Perfect. Look at that. No stuffing around at demand, enough she went. So I'm waiting for a pullback on that too to get another ad because we only took scouts on most of these. So we're not fully positioned. We're just in with a chance. Injective, I got down here. No, not down there. Must have been here. Thursday, yep. Okay, so I got here this morning. That demand wasn't there, but it's since printed. And now rocket ships. As soon as you get that pullback, you're on. What else have we got? Oh, we took Atom. Another one from demand. Look at that. Nice. Injective. Dot. We've got Dot. We were waiting for an add-on here, and we thought we'd get one at this breaker structure. No, I don't think we're going to get now. I think she's gone. She's gone. So we'll just have to be happy with the scout. If London does have a pullback, we might get stopped out, but we'll have another go. But again, that's only a late scout. We didn't get primo entries on this one. What else did we take? Uni. Yeah, we took Uni. We got this pullback here. We were hoping for a retest. Didn't get it, but we got this entry here. As soon as that candle closed and went green, we were in. So again, just a scout. Stop loss under here. TP1, hit. Laughing. Virtual, we didn't take. ZEC, we've missed, unfortunately. Hasn't broken structure yet. So hopefully if it pushes through and comes back and gets a liquidity grab, we'll get another chance. That would be awesome. What else we got? We got hype. I didn't touch any. Oh, I've got Arweave as well. Let's have a look at that. All right, hype was a ripper. So I got this last night. No, it was this morning. Here you go. This morning. I got this here this morning. This liquidity grab. I got up early and there were already people in Zoom that had already taken this long. So congrats to them. They took this long before I even woke up. And yeah, I was just lucky enough to get the dump here. I think I must have got in around there. So yeah, 8 o'clock, that looks about right. So that's played out well. Broken structure to the upside, come inside, got the liquidity. Now we want to see follow through. Like all these coins, we need to see follow through. Took an Arweave. I love seeing this thing run, but I never get a chance to get it. We played around a lot here. So this is a candle cluster that I really like, and that gave me the heads up to get in. So we took the entry here on the pullback, and off we went. Again, just a scout. And I've done nothing further down the list. I think I've even missed my favorite. My favorite was, yeah, oh no, I haven't missed that. Hasn't broken structure, but I haven't taken a scout either. So if we took a scout now, what would it look like? No, too big a stop loss. Way too big a stop loss. I'm not taking that. I'd rather wait. We'll wait and we'll get in. All these YouTubers out there that run with 2% stop losses and shit, out of control. Who wastes that kind of money? We were watching this and wanted to get it, but clearly we missed it. It's gone. Again, we'll wait for a pullback. Control our risk. Wait for the entry. I missed this Ondo. Too busy watching other things. I wanted that pullback there. Clearly see the range here and it's swept the lows. Has this just swept the highs and now it's going to come back and give me another entry? We'll see. There's plenty going on everywhere. Look at all the green. So good to see green numbers. Look at this. 10%. Missed that. Look at that. Yeah, boy. She gone. Don't chase that. Wait for it to come back. It'll come back. So if you're in it, take profits. But yeah, B&B, we're looking good. So anyway, we'll go back and have a look at Bitcoin. So again, the high time frame suggests that we're in an uptrend. The low time frame is backing that up, and you can see the volume stepped in. But you know what? That's TP1 there for us. We just hit TP1. So thanks, guys. You're our exit liquidity. Fantastic. Control room loves you. Thanks heaps. So yeah, let's look for where this can go. So I've got a couple of levels. We'll go to the 1 hour and have a look. So we could turn around right here. This could be the end of the show. This vector here, it's got it. So that could be it. Could be all over, and now we go to hell. So hence the reason we've only got scouts still across the board. And we've hit TP1. We've banked some profits, removed our risk. We're now in risk-free trades. But I'd like to see targets a little higher. Target here. That would be 63,592. Get this vector. That would be awesome. Doesn't mean it can't come back and get this vector first. Retest that MA, daily open, and then pop up. That would be consistent with higher high, higher low, higher high. So I'd like to see that. That would be cool. I'd rather it go straight through. But yeah, we could come up to 64. There's a 1 hour supply there. Let's see how that lines up with a 4 hour. Select 1 hour, guys. We do everything color coded too in the control room. And their special price, while I'm doing this, special price of founder's price at the moment is 29 USD a month. And if you lock in at that price, you'll have that price for life. So any price hikes in the future won't be for you. Won't be for you. You will keep that normal price, the normal founder's price. And your entry is through the website, the controlroom.xyz. All right, so we can see that 1 hour supply ties in with a 4 hour supply nicely. Yes, we are trapped in this range for now. Can we break out? Hope so. Hopefully we don't have to drag out like that. I want to see rocket, man. Yeah, we want to see rocket ships first. Let's go and get some liquidity up, take some profits, wait for the pullback and get another entry and do it all over again. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Make sure you visit the controlroom.xyz. Special founders price to join at the moment is still live. It's been active for 2 weeks. It won't last forever. So if you've been thinking about doing it, do it now. Have a good night. See you on the next 4 hour candle. Bye.